All right, family, I got an unconventional tip to help you all lose fat faster. It's not something that you can eat, it's not something that you drink, it's not any of these other things, it's a mindset shift. If I'm breathing hard, see a lot of water in my face, I just got through training downstairs in the garage. So bear with me. It's for ladies and guys, all right? Start walking around the house with your shirt off, all right? Guys for sure. Ladies, if you don't feel comfortable with that, obviously put on a sports bra, crop top, whatever you need. Right. The number one reason, at least one of the number one reasons, that you aren't losing weight or even starting to lose weight or jump starting your program, whatever you're doing, is because it's not front of mind. You're not waking up every day in the morning and looking at how you actually look, right? You're not giving yourself enough time with yourself visually to see what it is that you actually need to change, all right? So when you are at home, leisure, whatever it may be, take your shirt off. That was one of the biggest things that helped me because it helped me be more aware of how I actually look throughout the day. Because we can hide ourselves from ourselves, right? We can hide how we look by just throwing on a bigger shirt, hoodie, whatever, right? It's easy to do. Grab something out your closet, toss it on, we good. Nobody knows. Start being more aware. Start putting yourself in positions to where you have to force yourself into action. And when you constantly go into the bathroom and you look in the mirror and you see something that you don't want looking back at you every single day, multiple times per day, it's going to make you be a little bit more assertive when it comes to taking action to do the things that you need to do to get the weight off, right? Or maybe you're underweight, you need to put on some muscle, gain some weight, whatever your goal is. Be more aware of how you actually look. How many things were you supposed to do? Maybe it's nighttime where you are, or by the time you're watching this. How many things were you supposed to do today that you didn't do? Simply because you forgot about it, or out of sight, out of mind, or you had a bunch of other stuff to do, right? That same thing applies to how we look. Working out, training, it's not front of mind. It's not something that we think about automatically if you're not used to doing it. Obviously, it is for me and other people now at this point because I've been doing it, but that's because I've gotten over this part. But just trying to help you with understanding something that really helped me, which is being more conscious of how my body looks, reminding myself throughout the day consciously, consistently, constantly of what I need to be doing, what I need to be focused on. It's easy to forget that. So take those clothes off. Look at yourself. Spend some time with yourself. Like, is this what I really want? Is this how I really want to look? Is this what I want for the new year, right? Going into this new year. Do I really want to make a change with this? Or am I comfortable with this? You should never be comfortable with where you are, even if you have an ideal physique, which I don't think anyone has their ideal physique, because even if you have someone else's ideal physique, you always want more. And once you start improving your physique and you realize you can always do better. Point being, you want to do things that put you in a mindset, in a state of taking action. And one of those things is being aware of your goal multiple times throughout the day. And what better way of doing that than looking at what you're trying to accomplish over and over and over until you do something about it. And when you start doing something about it, keep doing it and look at your change, right? Take pictures of yourself. Take videos. Study yourself. Study those habits of what are you doing on a day-to-day basis that's causing you to gain this extra weight that you don't want? What is happening that's making you make these unhealthy or negative decisions that are not supporting your weight loss goals, right? What's happening throughout your day? Is it that you're not planning your meals? Are you planning your meals and eating what you're supposed to eat, but eating seconds and thirds and fourths? Do you snack too much? You're snacking on the wrong things. What is it that's causing you to make these bad decisions? And when you look in the mirror, you take your shirt off and you see the outcome of those bad decisions throughout the day, that makes you, at least it puts on your mind that you should start making more better decisions, because a lot of us get distracted. A lot of us get so distracted with our goals and we put them on the back end when they should be front. Because when you look good, you do feel good. You feel a lot better about yourself. It's a lot easier to be confident when you have the physique that you want, when you have the health that you want, when you feel the way you know that you deserve to feel. It's a lot easier. I know a lot of people say, oh, well, my confidence isn't based on how I look, my physique. It should, especially for guys. I can't speak for everyone, but for guys, it should. You should feel confident in the physique that you have. You should be taking pride on what you've built up to this point in your life with yourself. Your body is yours. It's a statement. When you step outside and people see you, they see your physique. It's a statement of the discipline that you have, right? It's a statement of who you are as a person, your habits, your routines. People know that people with ideal physiques are disciplined people, at least in that area of life. Some of them aren't disciplined all around, but I think the majority of people that weren't gifted great genetics and they worked hard for their physique, that carries over. So a great starting point, like I said, going back to the main topic of this video, put yourself in situations where you have to constantly see how you look right now so that you can make a change. And when you see how you look every single day and you don't just hurry up and wake up in the morning and throw a shirt on, and then get on with the rest of your day, go to sleep with a shirt on, keep a shirt on. Maybe you don't even take your shirt off at all except for the shower, right? Some people even get in the water, shirts on, the pool at least, the beach, whatever. I hope this was helpful in some way. I hope you were able to take something away from this, a little something. That was just on my mind after I got through training downstairs, so hopefully that was of benefit. I hope you actually start doing it and don't just listen to this video for a little bit of a feel-good motivation kick, right? Do the things I'm talking about. That's the motivation kick. I'll holler at y'all later.